Hey, this is Julian with Team Kelli Lang and Remax Gateway. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, I will be covering, is the real estate market slowing down? So to begin this conversation, I always talk about interest rates. So back in around February, March, interest rates rose pretty significantly. The Fed pretty much decided, hey, we need to curb inflation. We need to do something about this. Low interest rates has prompted immense spending and immense borrowing. So in order to curb that, we are going to raise the borrowing rate. So once interest rates rose, what happened was buyers were pre-approved for less house, right, essentially. So they couldn't afford the houses that they were once being able to afford. So a house that they normally could purchase at $700,000, now their pre-approval was going down to, I don't know, $580,000, $610,000. So with that having happened, it eliminated a good pool of buyers. Also, at the same time, the supply was reacting to the previous demand. So the previous demand was very, very high, obviously, due to low interest rates. Thus, the supply started to catch up. People said, oh, we want to sell our house. We want to get top dollar. New construction rose significantly. Therefore, the supply caught up to that previous demand. So with increased supply and a decrease in demand, what do we see? We see price stagnation and slight price reductions. So in my opinion, and what the data kind of suggests, is that the market is beginning to come to more of an equilibrium and is coming to healthier levels that it once were. The one thing I always want to point out though, is that if you think of it the last 2 years, we have seen price appreciation of over 34% nationally for 2 years in the real estate market. So it's just a little perspective. It just goes to show, hey, we could have a little bit of a dip. We could have a 5% dip. We could have a 2% dip. But guess what? You gained 34% in the last 2 years. That is a significant amount of equity. So that's it. That's my take on whether or not the real estate market is slowing down. I think it's reached a little bit of an equilibrium and things are starting to get to normal levels. So that's it. Take care.